once that both of these nuts are out, then you can just put the seat over like that, and then you take out these two nuts and these two nuts, and then the seat will come right out. And now those are out, so the seat will lift. Alright, so essentially this is what you end up having once you pull the seat off. There are two screws, one over here and one over here, that just connect the top of the seat to the bottom of the seat. That's all. So I've already taken those out, that's why it fell off. So now this is what you're working with. This is the passenger side seat. So as you can see, this is free moving. This goes up and down by itself. But this one here is not, because it's connected to this. So I have to replace, because the cover is broken, I have to replace this entire thing. The latch is broken, so I have to replace this entire thing with the latch and whatever this is, ropey thing. So this is the part that I got from Acura today, and this is, I purchased it in January 2018, so this is the most up-to-date part. 15 bucks, whatever. It just needs to get replaced. So I mean, I think it's as simple as just ripping off. So to get this cover off, so first you take the cover, the latch off, which is very easy. It's all over 2 screws. Alright, so I pulled off the seat cover. It was pretty easy. So when you get up here, you can't pull it all off because of these things. So I haven't got that far. I don't really get that way. So this is on the other side. So you see this. This is what the latch connects to. The latch connects to this black thing, and then this black thing connects into here. So essentially what we want to do, I think, is just open this up, and then we should be able to put the latch in easily. Okay, so this is what it looks like when this cover's opened up. So it pretty much just loops around this, whatever this is. So I think what I need to do now is just open that, and then this black thing will come off, and then this entire thing will come off too. This is the final steps. So I took off that screw, so this will come right off, and then that was the final step. And then this is held on as such, so I think you just pull that out, and then this will come right off, I think. Sorry. Yeah, this should come right out now. There we go. Now all we need to do is just pull off this, and this goes all the way up to here, and voila, we have the new one, and the new one is the same exact thing. So hope this helps you guys. No, nobody else actually had a video of this third row seat thing, and I know it's a pain, and a lot of people have this go bad, so